Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we'll be looking at disruptive companies in order to unlock exponential gains. Disruptive companies are companies that look at solving a problem in a creative way. If this sounds like you, consider joining the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you will never miss another video that I release. If you are new to investing, especially to OTC penny stocks, consider using my link to open an account with Charles Schwab. You'll get free money, and Charles Schwab does not have any limitations on any of the penny stocks, at least for the ones that I've bought so far. Also, there's a link to Webull. Webull allows you to trade after and before market. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this video, my opinion, my personal opinion, and is for educational purposes only. Okay, without further ado, let's dig in. And before we begin, I just want to give you guys this information because I think this might be useful for you. It's the polls, as we're starting to get more registered votes, so I thought this might be good information for you guys. 47% says that HCMC is a buy, 5% says it's a sell, 29% says it's a hold, 9% says that they will add to their position, and 10% says it's non-applicable, they don't believe in this company. Okay, I will continue to give you guys up-to-dates on this information. I hope that the information is helpful. Just hot off the press, Jeff Holman, the CEO of HCMC, announced the launching of their Twitter account. Be found on Twitter at HealthierCMC. I went into their account, and right now there's only one post from the CEO, Jeff Holman, and about 11,000 followers already. So that's very, very quick. You'll see a welcome message from Jeff Holman, the CEO, and essentially explaining the ground rules. After reading the welcome page, I don't know. I mean, the Twitter account may or may not be very useful because there are so many YouTubers following HCMC already, and what they can't do on this Twitter account pretty much to me are the most important things that, most of the time we have social media sites because we want our questions answered immediately. But according to the ground rules, it says that it is important to understand that this will not be used as an open forum for questions and answers from our executives or board of directors. The reason is because they are a public company and are subject to disclosure rules for material non-public information, also known as MNPI. While the press releases and filings qualify as public information, but different rules apply to tweets. Therefore, they will not be disseminating any material non-public information in this forum, including answers to specific questions that relate to anything non-public, including but not limited to future plans of the company, litigation, stock price, or issues regarding capital structure. We'll use this for will be to link to all public news. I guess this could be good if you subscribe to their Twitter account, then you'll be immediately notified. It's sort of the same thing to my YouTube account. When you hit the notification bell, then you are immediately notified when I have a new video. So in that way, it's good. But as far as having the dialogue with them, then this is not the platform for it. That's all that there is to report on HCMC. So I hope that you have a good I hope that you have a good day trading HCMC today. Take care, everyone.